There is no need to look past budgeting whilst starting your journey toward personal finance mastery. Budgeting may be a scary prospect when you have not done it for a long time. The cash tale told by means of your expenses and income can paint a negative picture. But whether or not you're a millionaire with investments, endless loans, mortgages and stock holdings, or a sincere hardworking fellow just starting your financial adventure, budgeting is the important thing to continued fulfillment with your money. If you choose to attain this through additional investments, reducing interest rates with consolidation loans, or a process merchandising the fundamentals of personal finance, budgeting stays the same. Proper managing of one's debt, income, and expenses is the soul of dealing with your money, and that is why the definition of personal finance is budgeting. There is no need to get more complex than this. Along with your credit cards, payday loans, investments, and stock alternatives, you'll discover yourself on a sound economic footing in case you hold an in-depth budget, follow your money, and ensure that you spend less than you earn each month. To properly budget your personal finances, you simply add up your sources of income, account for every penny which you have flowing to you every month, and track every expense. Track your loans, and if you have bad credit lenders, recognize how much you're spending in interest. Track your credit cards and what amount of your bills applies to principal and what cash is going toward interest. Make knowing your finances your business, and if you have an accurate picture of the flow of your cash, then work to improve your budget. Most mistakes of personal finance are made because honest, hardworking individuals have an unclear, or foggy concept of the way their cash is spent from month to month. With a bit of interest in the information of your cash flow, you may understand that there are a lot of ways to save additional money and grow your earnings. Keep a focus on the basics of personal finance, and by no means forget that the definition of personal finance is budgeting. You can also begin making a profit nowadays.